Breaking the Wall of Language, Mr. Igor Sterner, University of Cambridge.
Allow me to paint a picture for you. I, Igor Sterner, based here in the Department of Engineering, am on a high-speed train going across Germany. I've just started an internship, and I've taken up German since last studying it at high school. I spend 10 minutes every day on Duolingo, got to keep up that streak, and I bring out my phone, and it poses this translation exercise to me. I look at it, I've got no idea. I just press for the answer. I don't know most of the words in the answer. Seems like some complex grammar's going on. Whatever, I flick to the next one. What a waste of time, I think. I share this story because it's a common struggle for language learners around the world. Society has built a wall between languages, and it's intimidating to break that wall. Introducing Tongue Switcher. Tongue Switcher is a modern mobile application that takes an entirely different approach to language learning. We allow the user to switch between languages when they're inputting into our application. Consider the previous example. The user has simply written make friends. There's no obvious translation for make friends in German, and it's awkward. But instead of correcting the user and presenting a perfect translation, the system instead, in this case, understands to just correct two basic parts of German grammar: verb second, infinitive to the end. The system attempts to encourage the user to switch languages less often over time and slowly form correct grammar, which is less intimidating. We make this possible through a combination of modern machine learning and traditional approaches to natural language processing. Tongue Switcher breaks down the wall of language. Tongue Switcher breaks down the wall of language by encouraging effective communication rather than perfect translation. It understands that the language learning process should be user-driven. So join me and make language learning less of a chore and more of an adventure. Thank you.
Any questions?
Is relate to English only, or can you choose two completely different languages?
So currently we're working on a prototype that's between English and German, which is somewhat similar to what I presented here today. The idea of the overall project is it will be just between languages, and it will be user-driven, and the process will be user-guided, and you can select in a similar way to existing language applications.